What's up, guys? So I know it's been a really long time since I posted my last video, but just real quick, just a little update. That day, that video I posted with the off-roading, that happened. It dented my bed from here up to there, and I took it to one of my friends' shop, and he started it, taking the dent off, but never finished it. But today we're going to get these installed. That's the what's the bearings and stuff, and then the gears are down here for this truck. They say 410s, but I asked for 411s, but I guess it's the same thing. Yukon gear and axles. And the reason I haven't posted anything on here, I have all that trash back there, it's because of this. Truck runs and drives fine, nothing leaked. See, even my tranny cooler is still good. Check it out on a rainy day. Found out my brakes didn't work and rear-ended some person. So now she's down for a while, maybe like a couple months. But this is gonna be an opportunity to, better the truck, make something, add something different. So I'm gonna get that fixed. And she's also having this problem when I turn it on. Sounds like she's like misfiring, so I gotta look into that. Maybe some plugs or wires or something. We'll check it out. Whenever I get the cosmetics done, I'll go into the engine, make sure she's running right, and we'll take her back out in the streets. Parts laying around everywhere for this truck. But that's the reason why I haven't been posting. It's been a while. So, but now I'm gonna start working on this one. There's those gears and pinion, and I got the installation kit, which comes with the bearings and all that. As of now, it's still the same. Headers, Trudels, the next pipe, and tune. That's really it. So there she is. It's December 11th right now. We have a show called Bandas y Trocas here in Fort Worth in April 24th. So my goal is to have this truck ready by then. And by ready, I mean those gears, drivetrain wise, or like in the engine. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else by that date, but I do want to be lifted. Right now she's stock with the leveling kit up front, but I want to be lifted and maybe some new wheels if possible. That's my goal for April 24th. So y'all stay tuned for that if you want to watch that. The lift I will be doing on my own, so I'll have videos of that. But the gears, I don't feel confident doing those myself, so I'm going to a guy in northern Texas. Like, I don't remember the city, but it's north from me. And on Instagram he's at La Paloma. I'll probably include that in the video, and so you guys can check him out. That's where I'm going to get my gears installed. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll post the video. I did a dig against a Hemi crew cab. Yeah, it was like last weekend. I did a dig, and I'll post that. And then after the gears are installed and broken in, I'll give you guys my opinion. The difference, because it's basically a completely stock truck with gears. So I'll give you guys an update and my opinion on if it's worth it, or what I noticed in difference. And yeah, hopefully pretty soon I can get some new parts to fix this OBS, and I'll also post videos on that. But that's pretty much it. Everything else, the OBS is completely exactly the same as last time you guys saw it, and I'll post more later. I'm gonna do a 30 roll, 30 to maybe 80. Let's see what's up.